Hi, it's Dolls, Toys, and Games Gal. I had to fix Farrah Goodfairy'S doll bed for two reasons. One, this staircase, which was serving as her footboard, had fallen off the bed. And two, even when it was hot glued to the bed, it would stick out over the end of the shelf, and I did not want her to have to deal with that anymore. Since the star is Farrah's emblem, I bought a wooden star from the wood shape store, grabbed a bunch of paint that I thought would match her colors, painted the star and added a layer of glitter paint, and now I'm going to use this blue fabric paint to outline the edges of the star to give it a little bit more dimension, because I think it looks a little flat without it. I used some silver fabric paint to put a silver F for Farrah. I'm going to use these doll pins to hold up that star footboard. I also painted these blue and added glitter paint on them. This is the before with the broken footboard and with the footboard dangling over the edge of the shelf. And this is the after. I actually added a little silver star to her star footboard. And now Farrah can still use her staircase, which I'm putting at the end of the bed to pretend that she walks up the staircase to climb into bed. And now her and Michelle Mermaid's Ever After High dorm room are looking way better, and they can lounge around and have a good time. I have a lot more broken beds and dorm rooms to fix, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.